Hello everybody, welcome back to the YouTube channel of CBazaar. Well, this video is gonna be special because it's gonna talk about very important, crucial thing, and it's for boys and gentlemen. Did you just recently order a kurta or sherwani online and it looked like it belongs to your grandfather? Oh my god, are you terrified? Don't be, because now I'm going to teach you how to take the exact measurements for your kurtas and sherwanis, which you can enter easily at the CBazaar and get one that fits you perfectly. To start the measurement game, the first step you need to do is get inside into a comfy t-shirt and pants. Don't wear anything which is bulky so that you get the exact measurements you would need. Second step would be to stand tall and make sure that you don't slouch during the measurements. And the third would be to make sure that you are double measuring them so that you don't have any oh no moments that oh the measurement was taken wrong. This video is gonna be your ultimate guide for your flawless measurements of Indian ethnic wears. So through this video, let's say goodbye to all those baggy clothes and say hello to all those clothes that flatter you at every aspect. So take the right measurements, you would need these three things with you. First is a measuring tape that doesn't stretch. Second would be getting a pen and a paper to write down your measurements. And the third would be if a friend can help you, that would be the best thing. So we have gathered everything up and now let's start measuring. He's Rohit ji and he's gonna help us with the body measurements.
Hello.
Okay.
So the first step will be to measure your height. To measure your height, stand straight against your wall and make a mark at the top of your head. Now run down the measuring tape from the top up till your feet. Neck round. Measure around the base of your neck where your collar usually sits. Keep it snug but comfy. Make sure to have two fingers inside the tape so that it doesn't become too tight. To measure your shoulder width, measure it across your back from one shoulder seam to the other. To measure your chest, wrap the tape around the fullest part of your chest, keeping it parallel to the floor. For the top measurement, you need to measure your natural waist, which is the widest part of your abdomen or belly or tummy. And while choosing, give the highest measurement either of chest or waist. Sleeve length. With your arms slightly bent, start at the one shoulder seam and measure down to your desired sleeve length. Top length would be from your one shoulder, measure down to your desired hemline. It could be up to your knee, ankle, etc. For bottom wear measurements, you need to measure your wearing waist. This is the part where you usually wear your bottoms. It is somewhere around your navel. Pant length. To measure your pant length, stand straight and measure from your waistline down to your desired hemline. This could be anywhere from crop to full length depending on your style.
At CBazaar, we give you two options. The first one is ready to wear and the other one is made to measure. Let's talk about the ready to wear option. In ready to wear option, you can go through CBazaar's website and choose any outfit that you like. And then what you have to do is from our standard size chart, you need to select your measurements and your size. And yes, you're good to go. I'm sure you'll not have to exchange it later. The second option you get at CBazaar is made to measure, which is actually my favorite because it gives you a tailor fit. What you have to do is, it's very simple. Select the outfit you want, go to the checkout and then select made to measure. After selecting made to measure, enter all your measurements as I have shown you just right now. Now our expert tailors will make the dress according to your body type because we understand that every body is unique. You need to make sure of one thing, and that is that body measurements and garment size can differ. Like your body measurement could be 32 and your garment size could be 34. That is absolutely normal. However, we would encourage you to put your actual body size for the best fit. So once you have done your measurements nicely and put them at the CBazaar website to made to measure things, you can relax at your home and you don't need to struggle because the outfit will get ready and get delivered at your doorstep. I hope you really liked this video. You can check out our website for more details and also for the vast collection that we have to offer for you. Subscribe to CBazaar for more such videos.